Take a ride in the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, power door locks, CD player, fog lights, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, outside temperature gauge. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.